welcome back to our channel. This is Harshil and today I'll be showing you how you can create your very own apps using MIT App Inventor. And these apps will work on any Android or iOS supported phone or tablet. And for creating these apps, there is no requirement for you to learn like Java or C++ or any higher level language, computer language. Okay, so basically we'll be creating these apps using block codes which are very easy. Okay, so let's get started. But first let me tell you what is MIT App Inventor. For those who don't know, it is a platform, or you can say a website where free website. Okay, you can create your app for free. It is a free website or platform on which you can create your own apps, okay, using block codes. And it was originally provided by Google, but now it is maintained by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, short form MIT. So let me show you what we will be creating today. It is a very basic app for a first app which you will be creating today, a beginner app you can say. Okay, so let's see what we'll be creating today. So as you can see, this is the app we'll be creating. So in this app, basically you can see there are 3 colorful buttons with name of different types of flowers written on it. So as you can see, it's written click the name of flower you wish to see. So like if we click the sunflower button, it will display the picture of a sunflower. If we click on hibiscus, a hibiscus. And if we click on pansy, it will show the picture of pansy. So this is a very basic app. It's our first tutorial, so we'll be creating a easy basic app. So now let's get started. So now let's start creating an app. If you are getting started for the first time, you have to search MIT App Inventor on the search bar. Then the first result you get, you have to click on it. Then click on create apps. Then you have to log in with your Google account. And now we will get our projects here. Click on start new project. We'll create a project named Flowers. Okay. Click on OK button. Our project is opened now. So the first screen, for the first thing we have to do, it is the basic of mainly every app you create. Click on layout. We have to take an arrangement. So for this app, first we'll take a vertical arrangement, then a horizontal arrangement. So click on vertical arrangement, make height fill parent, and width is also fill parent. We'll go to the horizontal arrangement, height fill parent, no, not fill parent actually, we'll take it 10%. Okay, width will be fill parent. Now we will go to user interface. We will drag and drop 3 buttons in the horizontal arrangement. 3 buttons, right? And then we'll bring an image to the vertical arrangement. Okay, so now what we have to do is click on this image 1. Now we get the properties of image 1 here. Now in the picture you see none. We have to upload a file. Choose file. We'll take this one. Okay, click on OK. And this will be the photo which will be displayed when we'll open our app. Okay, so this is the initial picture. Now we'll click on button 1. Now width will remain as it is. The height will go to fill parent. Okay, width. Okay, now button 2, height same, fill parent. and button 3 also height will be fill parent. Now we'll change the text. For first the font size, I'll take it, say, okay, we'll take it 20. Yes, no, it's quite big. We'll take it 10. Okay, now what is the text? Text will be sunflower. Okay, text for button 2, we'll take it hibiscus. Text for button 3, we'll take pansy. You can take any of your choice. And now let's see, it's not looking good, we have to arrange it. So we'll go to horizontal arrangement, align horizontal center, align vertical center. Okay, now let's change the width of these. So let's give the width also as fill parent, this one also as fill parent, and this one also as fill parent. Now it's fine. So now we'll go to the font size of sunflower and we'll change it to 14 again. Okay, let's make the text bold and background color to yellow. Hibiscus, same, text bold and background color to, we'll take red. And for pansy, let's take background color custom, we'll take purple color here. No, it's very dark. You can take any color of your choice. I want to take the original color of the flower, so I'm taking these. And font bold. So now our interface is ready, but now we want the pictures of these flowers to be displayed. So under the components area, you'll find a media area. Click on upload file. Now choose file. Let's choose sunflower. Open. Okay. Now again upload file. Choose file. Now we'll take hibiscus. Okay. And now we'll take pansy. Open. Okay. So now as you can see, we have all the pictures, our buttons, and let's take a label also. We'll add this label in vertical arrangement. Font size, let's take 25. Okay. Now text. Text we will write click on the flower name you wish to see. Okay, so now let's take the text color, let's keep it black only. So now our interface has been created. So now let's move to the coding part. So above the properties section, you can see two buttons, designer and blocks. We'll go to the block section now, and here we write our code basically. Like in the viewers area, we'll write our code, and in the blocks section, we'll get our blocks. As I told you that MIT App Inventor uses blocks, block coding. Okay. So now let's go to the designer once again. Now what we want our app to do, like what are the commands we want to give it. So we want that when we click this button, for instance, this flower world picture and this label is gone. Okay, it's removed, and the sunflower image which we have uploaded here is shown. Okay, so And let me tell you one thing, that be careful, we have just changed the text of this button. We have not changed the name. The name is the name is still button 1. Okay, so you can even change the name, but it's a short app, so for me there is no need. We need this function when we do the bigger apps, and it is because it's difficult to understand which button is for which function, so we can rename them. But right now for me there is no need. If you want, you can rename them. I'll show you how to do it. From here you have to click on rename option, and then it will give you the option to rename. Okay, so now let's write a code. So we'll go to the block section. We'll click on button 1. Now when we click on button 1, we get all the blocks related to the button 1. So we'll take the first one, like this says, when button 1 click do, which means when button 1 is click, do. Now we'll tell it what to do. So we'll click on image 1. Now we get the blocks related to image 1. Set image 1 picture 2. Now we'll write the name of the file, and we have to write the exact name with the same extension. Like we want this one sunflower png, so we'll type this name only without any caps or other thing. There should not be any changes, like no letter should be in caps if it is not in the file name. Okay, so it should be exactly the same. Okay, so now let's move to the block. We'll type here sunflower dot png. Okay, and now we also want that the label also gets disappeared at the same time. So we will go to label 1 and we'll take set label 1. Now we'll click on this arrow and set label 1 visible to. Now we'll go in the logic section. We get here the false button and we'll set it as false. Okay, so what this whole set of codes means, that when we click button 1, set image 1 picture, like the image 1 picture should be changed to this sunflower png, and the label should not be visible. Label visible is equal to false. That means that the label will not be visible. Okay, so now let's copy this code only. Oops, the false is copied 2 times. Okay, let me select this. Yeah, now we will take this. Okay, now if you want to delete a code, like I got this one extra false, so I'll just drag it drop to this bin and it will be deleted. Now we'll change the values here. It will save our time. We'll go the button 2. When click button 2, change picture to, we'll take hibiscus png now, because the second button was hibiscus. So we'll take here hibiscus. See, now I had written the name in caps, hibiscus, so I will write here also all in caps. Okay, so we'll write it here as hibiscus. Okay, so I just wrote it in the wrong section. I'll just make the corrections. Okay, so now it's here, like we have done for button 1. For button 2, this last label will be the same, and when button 3 is click, we want the image to be displayed of pan, oops, it's in capital, pansy. Okay, so okay, pansy, I've written it correct. Okay, now so with this our code is complete. So now that our app's interface and code is complete, so now a question comes that we cannot use this app obviously on a computer because it's not made for laptop or computer. So now what we will do is we will go to the connect option in the above bar or ribbon, you can say. You can see the connect option, click on it. Now there are 3 ways you can do. Either you can connect your phone through a USB cable, or you can have an Android emulator in your laptop, or there is an app named MIT App Inventor 2 Companion. So you can use that. You can install it on your phone and then you can just scan the code or type the code, scan the QR code or type the code which it gives to you, and then it will be displayed on your screen. So what I will do is, I like the AI Companion better, so I'll be doing it. So AI Companion, now it's giving me a QR code or a written code, so I can scan it or either I can write this. So let's see it on our phones now. Let's see the app on our phones.
Now here's the app, and now I will connect with scan QR code. So now it is getting scanned, and as you can see, the data is being transferred into our phones. So okay, the processing is complete, and now you can see the app on our phone. As you can see, here is our flower world. Click on the flower name you wish to see. It's all the same interface that we had on our laptop. Now let's test it. Let's click on sunflower. Wow, it's showing us a sunflower. It works. Hibiscus, pansy. So this shows that we have successfully created our app.
So that's it for today, guys. Next time we'll be creating a game or any other utility app. So stay tuned, and if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.